Hello, welcome to Magic Feather Production. Today we're going to make the infamous paddle ball. No matter how many modifications, it is just the worst.
This is disgusting. This is awful in every way. If I could kill it, I would.
Why am I making it? Well, nobody has made it yet on YouTube, so why not? So, I'm going to use this wood dish because it has a concave surface. Hey, alright, let's do this. Found me some stretchy elastic string. Alright, I attached it to this on the stretchy string. All we need is a rubber ball. And finished product. So I got a rubber ball and I hot glued it onto the elastic strand right here. I think my highest was 10. 1, 2. Shit. 5, 6, 7, 8. So the reason why I didn't put any serrated razor blades or anything on here on the ball is because if I really did and I accidentally hit the elastic strand might either come off or get cut or get damaged, and it might stick to the paddle. I guess you could go like this and attack somebody. Ow. Oh, I did it. Not using the ball at all. That's what I'm thinking. Maybe just use the paddle as a weapon. Let's do that. Oh yeah. It's gonna be more like a hidden weapon, which are already legal here. So this may look like a simple DIY, suspicious looking homemade paddle ball, but on the other side, it's different. Randomly out and about, and if somebody tries to mug me, I can just flip this over and use my secret weapon. Nails. Why did I not paint this? Well, it's because it's already falling apart, this wood plate. But you know what we gotta do? We gotta test the damage output. Hey. Yeah, now he's got some more indents. Then again, we're not made of styrofoam, so let's try something else. Some leather. Yeah, couple holes. How about some sheet metal? Oh, wow. Sheet metal isn't really absorbent as leather. Let's try the bark armor. Made a few holes here and there. So what do I think about the paddle ball weapon that you can get in the Fallout series? It's stupid. And why use paddle balls for the ammunition? In reality, how hard are you hitting it? Why would you be hitting the paddle ball so hard that the elasticity of this stretchy string is no more? In the game, it only does like 1 damage. So if I had put blades on here, it might have not lasted that long. But what do you think I should have done? Like, share, comment, subscribe. You know what to do. Thanks and all. See you later.